Hello everyone, let us learn how to do PowerPoint presentations. First here, start. Click on start and you can see here PowerPoint icon. If you will not find out this PowerPoint icon, type here PowerPoint, PowerPoint. Then this icon, click on this. Here, click on blank presentation. Here you will find out this blank slide, PowerPoint presentation. Now this one, here just click on this and press from the keyboard delete. Again this one also I don't want, so just click and delete. First I want to add the shapes. Okay, so first here from the shapes tool I select the shape like this one. I like frame. Just my topic is different shapes, so I'm writing here different shapes. Now I want this size big of this different shapes, so go in home. You will find out here this numbers, just click here 54 or 60 like this. Otherwise you can do it from here also. This is also font size like this. I don't like this font. I want to change my font because here A is not proper, so I am just click here and here I want Comic Sans, so just click here and write COMIC, comic. Different fonts are there, you can see, and go down you will find out this Comic Sans here. Okay, this is the font size. Now I want to add name and class, so again I am taking one more shape like this one. Here press and drag like this and write, just select this and then press from the keyboard NAME, name. Enter, write your name and then grade, your grade or class, that is up to you. Now select this one, home, and left side like this. You can do it like this. I want to change the name color also, so A, you can see here A, we call this font color. I can change the font color also like this, same like this. Here I want to change the size also. You can see here we can change the size from here also. This pop-up is there right side, you can change the size from here also, and you can change the font also by type here COMI like this and enter. Now I want to add theme. How to add theme? Click on design. Here just click on this one. I want to change the color of the theme, this, like this. Okay, now I want to add one more slide. Go in home, add new slide, and now I am taking the blank slide. Here I want to add shapes, so here I am adding one more shape like star. Click here and drag like this. Now go in animations. First we select all the shapes, okay? Go in home, and then I want different shapes like this one, this arrow from left side, another shape. I want to show that animation can come from all the directions. So from right side, if your arrow is little bit small, drag like this and make it properly here shape. See, the line is there like this. One from the top, this one like this, and from the bottom also. Select, and from bottom also like this. Now we want to add the animations. First we finish our work, then we will add all the animation. Now go in home and new slide. We are creating this one, blank slide again, and now here I'm inserting one more shape, this one. End slide is like thank you. Press this icon and here you can write THANK, thank you, like this. Now I want to add animations. Go here, select on this. Without selecting you cannot add animation. Just select this, click on animation, split like this. Now this one, here I am selecting random bars like this. Now go in next second slide. This one I want to add wheel like this. This one from the fly in, but this arrow is coming from down. I don't want. I want from the left side. So go in effect options and from left. This one fly in, it is coming from down, it's okay. This one fly in, but this one we want from the right. So from effect options, from right, again this one fly in again, and here you can select from the top. So from all the directions we can add. Okay, now I want to change the color of the shapes also. Just click on this and go in home, shape fill. From shape fill we can change the color like this one. For shape also click and then change the color like red color, here green color, here blue color, here blue color. Now click this one, here this one yellow color. So all colors are there. Now we go in the last slide, and this one is thank you slide. First I want to change the font size like this, big from the size. Now I want animation also in this, animations, and I want to exit. So here you can select fly out, so like this. Now we can see our slides. Go in slide show, click here, or F5 you can press from the keyboard. Then select, see different shapes, neat and great. Here see this one star from left side, arrow is coming down, right, from the top. Now thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let us learn how to save this file. Go in file and select file save as. Go in browse and find out desktop. Where is the desktop? Here. If you click here, you will find out desktop. Here no folder is there, so I am making new folder. Just rename it PowerPoint presentation and open this here. Now save this file by the name different shapes and then save. Now let us see, close this. Now we can see here PowerPoint presentation icon on my desktop. Open and then click on this different shapes, double click. You can see your shapes are there, different shapes. Now if you want to do any changes, like I want to change this color here, I want purple color. Now then go in save, file, save, okay, and close this. Now if you open again, you will find out everything is there and the color change. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video.